Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best woodworking project plans and kits that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Woodworking Project Plans and Kits. If you are new to woodworking and you are trying to find that perfect project, a simple but useful project will provide you with a feeling of accomplishment and easy gratification. I put the following list of simple woodworking projects together from across the internet, and I hope that you will find a project from it that inspires you enough to take action. Number 5. Contour Gauge 10-inch Widen Plastic Profile Gauge Duplicator. Lamber Studios 10-inch Widen contour gauge is designed for winding pipes, circular frames, ducts, and many objects. Main features: both inch and centimeter measurements. Lifetime worry-free warranty. Multi-scene application. Number 4. Contour Gauge Duplicator with Lock Woodworking Templates. It is made by durable and stable ABS plastic, and no harm for the surface of the target you would like to shape and duplicate. Main features: extra wide profile gauge, easy to use shape duplicator tool, high precision profile copy gauge. Number 3. Contour Gauge with Lock GOXAWEE 10 inches Profile Duplicator Tool. It feels very annoying if the pins are too loose right after contoured. Constructed from sturdy and durable ABS plastic material. Main features: ABS material and 2 measurement units. Instant template for curves. 2 locking mechanism gauge. Number 2. Saker Contour Duplication Gauge Adjustable Lock. The contour gauge is made of high-quality ABS plastic, high-strength, rust-proof and durable. Saker Contour Gauge can adjust the tightness according to your needs. Main features: extensive application, essay to use, precise shape duplication. Number 1. Contour Gauge Profile Tool with Lock Woodworking Templates. It is made by durable and stable ABS plastic, and no harm for the surface of the target you would like to shape. Main features: instant template for irregular shape, easy to use shape duplicator tool, high precision profile copy gauge. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.